Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how can get chicken zombie updated. Begin by locating a chicken and a zombie in the overworld, ideally near a village or swamp where spawns are frequent. Use a name tag on the chicken to stop despawning, then funnel both mobs into a small penned area using gates or boats. Block light or create a controlled path so the zombie can reach the chicken without other mobs interfering. In this video, I will explain how can get chicken zombie updated. Prepare by gathering a name tag, boat, and some blocks to build a compact pen that prevents mob wandering. Use seeds to attract chickens and a boat, or lead to move them gently without damage. Keep the zombie contained with gates or a one-block gap. The zombie can navigate, but larger mobs cannot enter, ensuring a clean conversion attempt. In this video, I will explain how can get chicken zombie updated. Focus on timing and containment, making sure the zombie actually hits the chicken without dying to sun or other mobs. Night farms or covered pens work best, and boats let you position chickens exactly where the zombie can contact them. Practice the sequence a few times and adjust gate placement to reduce stray mob pathing and accidental damage to either creature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.